Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeCompass. Today, we are diving into one of the core concepts of programming and problem solving, data structures. Imagine you have a lot of information, like names, numbers, or even more complex data. To work with this data efficiently, you need a proper way to organize it, and that's where data structures come in. In simple terms, a data structure is a way of organizing and managing data so that you can easily perform operations like adding, accessing, or modifying the data. Think of it like this. If you are looking for a book in a well-organized library, it's quick and easy. But in a messy library, it takes forever. Data structures act like that organized library. They help us work smarter, not harder. Key points to remember. The same data can be stored in different ways using different data structures, each with its pros and cons. Data structures are universal concepts. They are not tied to any specific programming language. You can implement them in C, C++, Python, Java, and many other languages. Data structures are mainly divided into two types. First is linear data structures and second is nonlinear data structures. Did you know? The choice of a data structure can make or break the performance of your program. That's why mastering them is essential for developers. So, that's a quick overview of data structures. They are the building blocks of efficient programming and are crucial for anyone who wants to solve real-world problems with code. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore each data structure in detail with examples, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.